Hello students, welcome to my video lecture. First Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class we discussed statement of binomial theorem and also application of binomial theorem, means expansion of binomial theorem. Today we are going to discuss general term of a binomial theorem, middle term, independent of x term, the coefficient of find the coefficient of x to power r in the given expansion, and also we discuss Pascal's triangle. Okay, Pascal's triangle देख लीजिए Pascal's triangle. The arrangement of binomial coefficients in a triangular pattern is known as Pascal's triangle. Okay, the arrangement of binomial coefficients, the arrangement of binomial coefficients in a triangular pattern, okay, is known as Pascal's triangle. Okay, we have a plus x whole to power 0, that is 1. A plus x whole to 0 means 1. A plus x whole to power 1, that is a plus x. A plus x whole to power 2, that is a square plus 2ax plus x square. A plus x whole to power cube, that is a cube plus 3a square x plus 3ax square plus s cube. Next, a plus x whole to power 4, a fourth plus 4aqx, 4aqx plus 6a square x square plus 4ax cube plus x fourth. Next, a plus x to the power 5, it is a fifth plus 5a fourth x plus 5 into 4, 10 a cube x square plus 10 a square x cube plus 5 a x fourth plus x fifth नहीं. अच्छा, तो बर्तन देखो कोफिशिएंट जाएगा, कोफिशिएंट्स. ओके, the coefficient of the expansion given above are the coefficients of the expansion. The coefficient of the expansions are the coefficients of the above expansions are above expansions are first देखो, first 1 a रो कोफिशिएंट 1, x रो कोफिशिएंट भी 1. नेक्स्ट a स्क्वायर रो कोफिशिएंट 1, ax रो कोफिशिएंट 2, नेक्स्ट x स्क्वायर रो कोफिशिएंट भी 1. नेक्स्ट a की रो कोफिशिएंट 1, a स्क्वायर x रो कोफिशिएंट 3, ax square coefficient 3, then 1. Next a4 the coefficient 1, A for the coefficient 1, then 4, then 6, then 4, then 1. Okay. अच्छा, so ये जो 2 टा केमिति क्रिएट हला ना ए दुईटार सम हला 2, ए दुईटार सम हला 3, ए दुईटार सम हला 3, ए दुईटार सम हला 4, ए दुईटार सम हला 6, ए दुईटार सम हला 4. So this is a triangular pattern. This is a triangular pattern. Okay, this is a triangular pattern. So this is called Pascal's triangle. Okay, so this one means 0 C0. This one means 1 C0 1 C1. Next 2 C0 2 C1 2 C2. Next 3 C0 3 C1 3 C2 3 C3. Okay, next 4 C0 4 C1 4 C2 4 C3 4 C4 4 C4. Okay. So this is called triangle, Pascal's triangle. This is called Pascal's triangle. Okay, 1 0 C0 means 1, 1 C0 means 1, 1 C1 means 1, 2 C0 is 1, 3 C0 is 1, 4 C0 is 1. Next 4 C1 4, 4 C2 6, 4 C3 4, 4 C4 1. So this is 1, this is also 1, and this is the sum of these two. Okay, next this is the sum of these two, and 3 C2 is the sum of 2 C1 and 2 C2, and so on. Okay, so this is called Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle. From Pascal's triangle, it is clear that from Pascal's triangle, it is clear that first point, each row begins with 1 and ends with 1. Each row begins with 1 and ends with 1 also. Starting re 1 achi, ending also 1 achi. Okay. Next 2. Each coefficient in any row. 2. Each coefficients with any row, each coefficients with any row, each coefficients in any row is the sum of each coefficients in any row is the sum of two coefficients on the each coefficients in any row is the sum of two coefficients okay, two coefficients on the two sides, of the previous, two sides of it in the previous row, of it in the previous row. Okay, previous row. Next, the coefficient of an expansion. The coefficient of an expansion can be obtained from the coefficient of the previous expansion. the coefficients of the previous expansion देखो ये here n given, n is 0, so this is 0 c0, 0 c0. n is 1, this is 1 c0, 1 c1. n is equal to 2 c0, 2 c1, 2 c2. n is equal to 3, 3 c0, 3 c1, 3 c2, 3 c3. Okay, n is equal to 4, 4 c0, 4 c1, 4 c2, 4 c3, 4 c4, 4 c4. Okay, similarly n is equal to 5, this is 5 c0, 5 c1, 5 c2, 5 c3, 5 c4, 5 c5. तो ये दुईटार सम है यहाँ, ये दुईटा को आड कले यहाँ पाइब, ये दुईटा को आड कले दिस 2c0 plus 2c1 is equal to 3c1. 2c1 plus 2c2 is equal to 3c2. Similarly 3c0 plus 3c1 is equal to 4c1. 3c1 plus 3c2 is equal to 4c2. 3c2 plus 3c3 is equal to 4c3. Similarly 4c0 plus 4c1 is equal to 5c1. Okay, 4c1 plus 4c2 5c2. 4c2 plus 4c3 5c3. 4c3 plus 4c4 5c4 है नहीं कौन जाला each coefficient in any row is the sum of two coefficients on the two sides of it. Our side कौन था two sides of it in the previous row. Okay. Question: using Pascal's triangle, expand 2x square plus 3x whole to power 5. Okay, the solution देखो ठीक है. Solution 2x square plus 3x whole to power 5. तो here n is equal to 5. A is equal to 2x square and b is equal to 3x. Okay, तो first हमें क्या करिया Pascal triangle draw करिबा. तो this is 1, then 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1 1 6 15 20 15 6 1. तो here this is n is equal to 0. Next n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5. This is n is equal to 6. Okay, n is equal to 6. So this is n is equal to 5. This one n is equal to 5 means 5 given. So first term is 1. So therefore 2x square plus 3x whole to power 5 is equal to 1 into 2x square power 5. 2x square power 5 plus 5 into plus 5 into 2x square power 4 means 1 कमी जीवो into 3x plus 10 into these are the binary coefficient जाएगा 10 into 2x square power 3 कौन अब power टा 1 कमी नहीं 5 then 4 then 3 into 3x power 2. Next 10 into 2x square power 2 into 3x power 3. Next 5 into 2x square power 1 into 3x power 4. Next 1 into 2x square power 0 into 3x power 5. Okay, so simplify this, we get simplifying we get 2 2x square plus 3/x whole to power 5 is equal to, this is 2 to power 5, 2 to power 5 means 32, 32x to power 10, 32x to power 10. Next is 2 to power 4, 2 to power 4 means 16, 16 into 5, 80, 80 into 3, 240, 240 x to power 8 by x, x to power 7. Next plus 2 to power 3 means 8, 8 into 3 square 9, 9 into 8 is 72 into 10 720, 720 into x to power 6 minus 2, so x fourth, okay. Next this is 2 square 4, 4 3 cube, 3 cube means 27, 27 into 4 means 108, 108, 108 into 10, 1080, 1080 x to power 4 by s cube x, so 3 difference आसुछि. Next 2 ର power 1 2, 3 ର power 4 means 243, 243 into 10, 243 into 10 means 2430, so x square by x fourth, x to power minus 2, x to power minus 2. Next 2 ର power 0 means 1, 3 ର power 5, 243 into 3, 243 into 3 means 243 into 3, 9, 12, 2 returns 1, 3 to 7, 729, 729. This is 729 into x to power minus 5. This is the simplification. Okay. General term in the expansion a plus x whole to power n. Okay. We have a plus x whole to power n means nc0 a to power n plus nc1 a to n minus 1 x plus nc2 a to n minus 2 x square plus nc3 a to n minus 3 x cube plus dot 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 ncr a to power n minus r x to power r plus dot 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 ncn x to power n. Okay, ncn x to power n. From the above expansion, we have first term कहले कौन आसला nc0 a to power n. Second term nc1 a to power n minus 1 x. Third term nc2 a to n minus 2 x square. The third means 2, third means 2, second means 1, means 80 जहाँ रोज इधर गोटे कम देखो. Third means 2 रही. तो rth term कहले r minus 1, nth term कहले n minus 1 here, and so on r plus 1th term. R plus means after r plus 1 term from the beginning, not from the end, from the beginning, is equal to ncr r plus 1 कहले r रहिबा. एटी जहाँ नि हबो तार गोटे कम नि हबो. एटी a to power either difference n minus r into x to power r. Okay, this is called general term in the expansion a plus x whole to power n, and it is denoted by t r plus 1. Therefore tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a to power n minus r into x to power r. This is very important general term. जे कौन सी प्रॉब्लम कला लोग जनरल टर्म हम यूज करिबा. तो tr plus 1 is equal to NCR a to power n minus r into x to power r. ये T6 कहले r टा हम 5, T7 r है 6, जो टर्म कहबो r टा 1 माइनस कर दबो हैला. ठीक अच्छे, ये नंबर जनरल टर्म. ओके, there is a question: if the 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to power 44 are equal, then find the value of x. ओके, देखो सॉल्यूशन, देखो सॉल्यूशन. गिवन एक्सपांशन is 1 plus x whole to power 44. तो here n is equal to 44, a is equal to 1, x is equal to x. ओके, तो 22nd term, 21st term means T21. तो T21 means T20 plus 1, TR plus 1. तो here R is equal to 20. 21 means 21 रू 1 माइनस कर दियो, सी है R. तो R is equal to 20. तो यूज द फॉर्मूला NCR. N means 44CR. फर्स्ट लिख दियो फॉर्मूला NCR a to power n minus r x to power r. तो n means 44, c 20, a means what? 1, a means 1. तो 1 to power 44 minus 20 into x to power 20. That means 44 c 20, 1 power something means 1 into x to power 20. This is T21. Next 22nd term means T22 is equal to T21 plus 1 is equal to 44 c 21. A means 1, 1 to power 44 minus 21 into x to power 21. That is 44 c 21 into x to power 21. Okay, but given T21 is equal to T22. So this implies 44 c 20 into x to power 20 is equal to 44 c 21 x to power 21. Okay, so this implies तो x to power 20 को x to 21 ला कैंसिल. तो x is equal to 44 c 20 divided by 44 c 21. तो is equal to simplify this is 44 factorial divided by 44 minus 20, 24 factorial into 20 factorial divided by 44 factorial divided by 44 minus 21, 23 factorial into 21 factorial. तो 44 factorial कैंसिल, ये चल रहा ऊपर को. तो 23 factorial into 21 factorial divided by 24 factorial into 20 factorial. ओके, तो 23 factorial को 24 factorial कैंसिल, तो ये ला 24. ये 21 को 20 factorial कैंसिल है आसियो कहते 21 डिवाइड बाई 24. तो 3 कैंसिल कर ले 7 बाई 8. तो therefore x is equal to 7 by 8. X is equal to what? 7 by 8. X is equal to 7 by 8. Okay. Next, equidistant term. Equidistant terms. Okay. If n be a positive integer, if n be a positive integer, okay, then the coefficient of the terms in the expansion, if n be a positive integer, the coefficients of the terms in the expansion a plus x whole to power n, equidistant from the from the beginning, equidistant from the beginning and the end are equal, and the end are equal, and the end are equal. Okay, next first point rakho. Second point, earth term from the end, earth term from the end is equal to n minus r plus tooth term from the beginning, okay. Earth term from the end is equal to n minus r plus tooth term from the beginning. Okay, example देखा को बेस करके question, find the fifth term from the end in the expansion of 3 by x square minus 4x cube whole to power 15. Okay, solution देखो ठीक solution to given expansion is 3 by x square minus 4 by s cube, say minus 4s cube whole to power 15. Here n is equal to 15, a is equal to 3 by x square, x is equal to minus 4s cube. Okay, so fifth term from end is equal to n minus, n means here कितने 15 minus 5 plus tooth term from beginning. Okay, earth, here r is equal to 5, earth term from end, earth r means 5, earth term from end, earth term from end is equal to n minus r plus tooth term from beginning. Okay, so fifth term from end is equal to 15 minus 5, what, 10 plus 2, 12th term from beginning. So to find T12 means T11 plus 1. So use the formula r is equal to 11, T11, so r is equal to 11. So NCR means 15 C11, a means 3 by x square power 15 minus 11 into x means 4s cube to power 11. Simplifying we get the required answer. Okay, simplifying we get the required answer. Okay, simplifying we get the required answer. Next, middle term in the expansion a plus x whole to power n. Case 1, if n is even. Since a plus x power n, तो number of term is equal to n plus 1. अच्छा, if n is even, then n plus 1 is odd. n plus 1 is odd. Then there is a single middle term because number of terms odd achi, so there are n by 2 terms from beginning and n by 2 terms from end. So there is a single middle term, that is n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, suppose n is 2, so number of terms is 3. So number of terms 3 means first to gote chhad delo, last gote chhad delo, majhre gote rahila. Since n is 4, so number of term 5, first to 2 chhad delo, second to 2 chhad delo, majhre 1 rahila. n is 6, so number of term is 7, so first to 3 term chhad delo, second to 3 term majhre kon rahila, middle re 1 rahila. Okay, so 4 term, 3 plus 1 4 term. Since n is 8, so middle term is 8 by 2 plus 1. 8 by 2 plus 1, that is 5th term. n is 10, the middle term is 10 by 2 plus 1, that is 6th term. Okay, so if n is even, then there is a single middle term, and the term is, remember this formula, t n by 2 plus 1. t n by 2 plus 1 means t r plus 1. So here r is n by 2. r is n by 2 is equal to n c r. r means n by 2. a to power dura difference n minus r into x to power r. So what is simplify kale n c n by 2 a to power n by 2 a to power n by 2 into x to power n by 2. If n is even, case 2, if n is odd, then there are two middle terms, and they are t n minus 1 by 2 plus 1. This is r, t r plus 1, r is n minus 1 by 2 is equal to n c n minus 1 by 2 a to power n minus 1 by 2 x to power n minus 1 by 2. और आउट सिंप्लाई कले n c n minus 1 by 2 a to power n plus 1 by 2 into x to power n minus 1 by 2. And second term t n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 term, t r plus 1, r is n plus 1 by 2, r is what, n plus 1 by 2. So is equal to n c n plus 1 by 2 a to power n minus n plus 1 by 2 x to power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to n c n plus 1 by 2 a to power n minus 1 by 2 x to power n plus 1 by 2. दुराक कौन हम इंटरचेंज हो, तो ये कौन तुम two middle terms. If n is odd, then the number of term is even. Suppose n is 3, the number of term is 4. The number of term is 4 means total 4 term अछि, 1 2 3 4. So second term, third term both are middle term. Okay, so n is 5, total number of term is 6. So 6 से first term छाड़ दिया, second छाड़ दिया, applied 2 separate 2. From first beginning 2 छाड़ दिया, ending 2 छाड़ दिया, rest कौन रहा है? Third term and fourth term are middle terms. If n is 7, तो number of terms 8. तो first out 3 छाड़ दिया, second out 3 छाड़ दिया, मझरे कौन रहा है? Fourth and fifth term are middle terms. Okay. So using this formula, we can calculate the middle terms in the middle terms on the given expansion. Okay. Find the middle term in the expansion 2x square minus 1x whole to power 7. तो middle term आने को है जी, तो power is 7. 7 means odd. n is odd. Since n is odd, so we get two middle terms. Okay. अच्छा. Solution. Here n is equal to 7. A is equal to 2x square and x is equal to minus 1 by x. है, तो n is 7 means it is odd. Since n is odd, so there are two middle terms. So there are two middle terms, and they are 1 n minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to nc n minus 1 by 2 a to power n minus n minus 1 by 2 x to power n minus 1 by 2. So implies t, n is 7 minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 7 minus 1 is 6 by 2 means 3. So t 3 plus 1, so r is equal to 3. So n is 7, so 7c3 a means 2x square power 7 minus 3 4 into x means minus 1 by x power 3. So simplify this, 7c3 means 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. 2 to power 4 means 16, x to power 8 into this is minus 1 to power odd means minus 1 by x cube. So is equal to 7 factorial by 4 factorial cancel हो गला. तो 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 factorial means 6 into 16 x to power 5. This is a minus, so minus here 6 is cancel, so 30 minus 35 into 16 x to power 5. So this is one middle term. Another middle term देखो, second middle term t n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so is equal to nc n plus 1 by 2 a to power n minus n plus 1 by 2 x to power n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so is equal to implies t, n is 7 plus 1 8 by 2 4. So t 4 plus 1 is equal to 7c4 a 2x square power 7 minus 4 into minus 1 by x power 4. So is equal to 7c4 means same 35, 7c4 जहाँ 7c3 जहाँ 7c3 is equal to 7c4, this is 35 into 2 to power 3, 2 to 3 means 8, x to power x square power 3 means 6, minus 1 power 4 means plus 1 divided by x fourth. So 35 into 8 into x square. So this is second middle term. Okay, so since n is odd, then there are two middle terms. So one is minus 35 into 16 x to power 5, and another one is 35 into 8 x to power 2. Okay, prove that the middle term in the expansion of x plus 1 by x whole to power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 divided by n factorial into 2 to power n. Okay, देखो ताले प्रूफ देखो ठीक है, प्रूफ given expansion x plus 1 by x to the power 2n. Okay, here a is equal to x is equal to 1 by x, n means 2n is it is even, 2n is even, 2n is even, it is even. So there is a single middle term, there is a single middle term, and the term is t 2n by 2 plus 1. So is equal to t n plus 1. So here r is n. So is equal to, use the formula 2n cr, r means n, into a means x to power 2n minus n into 1 by x to power n. So is equal to 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial into x to power n into 1 by x to power n. So it is cancel. Okay, so is equal to 2n factorial divided by n factorial into n factorial. Okay, अच्छा सिंप्लीफाइंग करो तो इज इक्वल टू 2n फैक्टोरियल मीन्स 1 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 अप टू 2n माइनस 1 इंटू 2n डिवाइड बाई n फैक्टोरियल इंटू n फैक्टोरियल ओके। तो इज इक्वल टू काम करो और जगह अलग कर दिया इवेन जगह अलग कर दिया और अलग कर दिया इवेन जगह अलग कर दिया। तो 1 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 अप टू 2n माइनस 1 ये ऑड नंबर 2 इंटू 4 इंटू 6 अप टू 2n ये इवन नंबर डिवाइड बाई n फैक्टोरियल इंटू n फैक्टोरियल। सिंस देयर आर 2n टर्म तो n आर ऑड एंड n आर इवन तो n नंबर्स n टर्म्स आर ऑड n टर्म्स आर इवन ओके। तो इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 अप टू 2n माइनस 1 इंटू दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 1 2 इंटू 2 अप टू 2 इंटू n डिवाइडेड बाई n फैक्टोरियल इंटू n फैक्टोरियल। तो इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 अप टू 2n माइनस 1 ओके इंटू कौन कर इच टर्म रो गोटे गोटे 2 कमन काढ़ ये इंटू अच्छी तो एव्री टर्म रो गोटे 2 कमन काढ़ तो देर आर n टर्म तो n टे 2 कमन आसो तो इट बिकम्स 2 टू पावर n है कि। तो कमन आसले कौन ये 1 रही 2 देन 3 अप टू n डिवाइडेड बाई n फैक्टोरियल इंटू n फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल 1 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 अप टू 2n माइनस 1 इंटू 2 टू पावर n दिस इज 1 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 अप टू n मीन्स n फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाई n फैक्टोरियल इंटू n फैक्टोरियल ओके। तो n फैक्टोरियल कैंसल तो आंसर इज व्हाट दिस इज 1 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 अप टू 2n माइनस 1 ओके डिवाइडेड बाई n फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 टू पावर n हैंस प्रूव्ड ओके। तो ये आंसर हम प्रूव कर पारे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में आसुची देखिए करियो टिके ओके। प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन द कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ सर्टेन पावर ऑफ x इन ए बाइनोमियल एक्सपांशन ओके। तो बाइनोमियल एक्सपांशन आम दिखाई a प्लस एक्स पावर n दिखाई बाइनोमियल एक्सपांशन a प्लस एक्स पावर n कर दियो a प्लस एक्स होल टू पावर n ओके। तो वर्किंग रूल देख टिके वर्किंग रूल केमती कर प्रॉब्लम जाक वर्किंग रूल ओके। यूज द फॉलोइंग रिजल्ट्स व्हिच एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड यूज द फॉलोइंग रिजल्ट्स व्हिच एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड 1 if coefficient of x to power k is to be found if coefficient of x to power k is to be found suppose that कौन करिवो आम दरकार एक्स टू पावर के रो कोएफिशिएंट दरकार तो आम फास्ट कौन करिवा ना लेट टी आर प्लस 1 कंटेन्स एक्स टू पावर के इन द गिवन एक्सपांशन देन फाइंड टी आर प्लस 1 टर्म। तो टी आर प्लस 1 मीन्स एन सी आर एट n माइनस आर एक्स टू पावर आर एंड सिंप्लीफाइंग वी गेट some coefficient into x to the power something. So put the power of x is equal to k because we get since the term contains x to the power k so something means power of x to the power k naba and simplifying we get the value of r and by putting the value of r we get the coefficient of x to the power k okay. Suppose that x to the power k occurs in the rth term. Suppose that x to the power k occurs in the rth term. sorry, in the r plus 1th term, r plus 1th term, r plus 1th term. Okay, find the r plus 1th term and equate. Find the r plus 1th term and equate the power of x. Equate the power of x in the rth term. Equate the power of x in the r plus 1th term. Power of r plus 1th term to k, and solving we get the value of r. Okay, this will give value of r. This will give the value of r. The value of r. एटा में r पाई जीवा. Okay, if r is not a positive integer, see, if r is not a positive integer, यदि जहाँ पाइल r टा, यदि r is not a positive integer, then there is a no term which contains x to power k. Okay, then there will be no term, then there will be no term containing x to power k, containing x to power k. Contain means एठी हमर x to power k term नहीं. Okay, so in this case the coefficient of x to power k will be 0. In this case the coefficient of x to power k, coefficient of x to power k will be 0. k will be, এই কেসে কোন হবো, যদি r টা not a positive integer তাহলে এটি কোন হবো, সেমিতিকার x to power means x to power k term नाही, তো তার কোফিসিয়েন্ট কোন নবা আমি 0 নবা. নেক্সট কোন আসি পারে, নেক্সট if r is a positive integer, if r is a positive integer, then find the coefficient of x to power k by putting the value of r. Okay, then there will be a term which contains x to power k. Using the value of r, find the coefficient of x to power k. Find the coefficient of x to power k. Okay, second, for finding the term which is independent of x, for finding the term independent of x, which is independent of x, independent of x means সেই term রে x नहीं, independent of x. Okay, that is find the term which contains x to power 0. X to power 0 means the term which is independent of x. Okay, so find the coefficient of x to power 0 ना नहीं. तो इन दिस केस कौन करिवो फाइंड द टर्म विच इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ x मीन्स फाइंड द टर्म विच कंटेन्स x टू पावर 0 तो आम जे इक्वेट करिबा 0 पुट करिबा है नहीं 0 पुट कले आम आरटा पाई ओके then find the coefficient of x to 0 then find the coefficient of x to power 0 से x to power k करथले k डाला 0 ओके तो k रो वैल्यू 0 पकई गिरी आमे कने r वैल्यू बाहर करिबा r आसला परे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x to power 0 बाहर करिबा ओके तो एग्जांपल देखो आको बेस कर गिरी find the coefficient of x to power minus 7 in the expansion 2x minus 1 by 3x square whole to power 11 ओके तो सॉल्यूशन देखो let tr plus 1 be the term which contains x to power minus 7 in the expansion 2x minus 1 by 3x square whole to power 11 okay so therefore tr plus 1 बाहर कर दियो tr plus 1 means ncr formula तो 11cr 2x रो पावर 2x power 11 minus r into minus 1 by 3x square power r so simplifying this 11cr this is 2 to power 11 minus r into x to power 11 minus r into this is minus 1 to power r into 3 to power minus r into x to power minus 2 रो power r तो इज इक्वल 11 cr into 2 to power 11 minus r into minus 1 to power r into 3 to power minus r into x to power 11 minus r into x to power minus 2r तो इज इक्वल टू 11 cr into 2 to power 11 minus r into minus 1 to power r into 3 to power minus r these are constant value into x power 11 minus 3r ऐड हेला पावर दीटा तो ये हला दिस इज x to power 11 minus 3r ये हला x आ सब जगह कांस्टेंट टर्म since the term contains x to power minus 7 तो equating this is minus 7 okay since the term containing x to power minus 7 so equate 11 minus 3r is equal to minus 7 तो 11 minus 3r टा कौन नवा minus 7 नवा ओके तो implies 3r is equal to 18 तो r is equal to 18 by 3 means 6 belongs to natural number ही आसिया पड़िबो यदि other than natural number आसियो there is no term which contains x to power 7 extra minus 7 ओके तो एटा कांसला 6 as natural आसी गला therefore there is a term therefore t 6 plus 1 that is 7th term in the expansion 2x minus 1 by 3x square 2x that is r is equal to 6 तो t 6 plus 1 that is t 7th term contains x to power minus 7 in the expansion 2x minus 1 by 3x square whole to power 11 therefore coefficient of x to power minus 7 is equal to 11 cr into 2 to power 11 minus r into minus 1 to power r into 3 to power minus r. This is the coefficient. So is equal to 11 r means 6 c 6 2 to power 11 minus 6 minus 1 to power 6 into 3 to power minus 6. So is equal to 11, 6 means 11 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 5 factorial into 2 to power 11 minus 6 means 5 into minus 1 to power even means positive value. This is 1 into 3 to power minus 6 means 1 by 3 to power 6. Okay, simplify कर दियो जहाँ पहले से ही आंसर. तो 6 factorial cancel 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 5 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 to power 5 means 32 divided by 3 to power 6. Simplifying we get required answer. Simplifying we get required answer. Okay, we get required answer. Next question, find the independent of x in the expansion. Independent of x अर्थ जो टर्म रे x नथिबो in the expansion 2x square minus 3 by x cube whole to power 25. Okay, तो solution देखो टिके. Let tr plus 1 be the term which is independent of x, which is independent x in the expansion 2x square minus 3 by s cube whole to power 25. So n is equal to 25, a is equal to 2x square, x is equal to minus 3 by s cube. Okay, so tr plus 1 is equal to, tr plus 1 means ncr, ncr a to n minus r x to power r. So 25 cr, a means 2x square power 25 minus r into x कहले minus 3 by x cube power r. So simplify this 25 cr, so 2 to power 25 minus r into x to power 50 minus 2r into minus 3 to power r into x to power minus 3r. So is equal to 25 cr constant term, 2 to power 25 minus r also constant, minus 3 to power r also constant. और x to power दुईटा का पावर को ऐड कर दिया 50 minus 2r minus 3r. तो is equal to 25 cr into 2 to power 25 minus r into minus 3 to power r into x to power 50 minus 5r. Since the term is independent of x, independent of x अर्थ एथिरे x रहिबनी टर्म रे, जदि x रहिबनी ताले x रो पावर टा कोन हबो 0, तो हम 50 minus 5r टा को 0 पुट करिबा हमें. ओके, since the term is independent of x, therefore put 50 minus 5r is equal to 0. ये पावर को 0 नबो. ओके, तो implies 5r is equal to 50 implies r is equal to 10. By putting the value of r we get the term. By putting the value of r we get the independent of x term. Independent of x term. So t कौन आसीबो 10 plus 1 means t 11 term. तो r जगह 10 पुट करो 25c10 into 2 to power 25 minus 10 into minus 3 to power 10. तो ये है x रा पावर कला 50 minus 5 into 10, तो सेला 1 हो जाउछि. तो ये है आंसर. तो आउट ये सिंपली गले 25c10 into 2 to power 15 into minus 3 to power 10. minus 3 अर्थ power even power, so it is 3 to power 10. Since minus 1 to power 10 means plus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is the independent of x term in the given expansion 2x square minus 3 by x cube whole to power 25. Okay. Next, greatest coefficient, greatest binomial coefficient. Note, this is a note मन रखो, greatest binomial coefficients, खाली coefficients है ना. If n is even, then NCn by 2 is greatest, is the greatest binomial coefficients, coefficient among all the coefficients. 2. If n is odd, then NCn minus 1 by 2 and NCn plus 1 by 2 are the greatest binomial coefficients. Example, let n is equal to 8. So 8 by 2, that is 8c4 is greater than 8c0, 8c1, 8c2, 8c3, 8c5, 8c6, 8c7, 8c8. So 8c4 is the greatest binomial coefficient. Okay, greatest binomial coefficients. Similarly, let n is equal to 5. So 5 minus 1 by 2, that is 5c2 and 5c3, both are equal, are greater than 5c0, 5c1, 5c4, 5c5. Okay. So greatest binomial coefficient means n is even helle NCn by 2, n is odd helle NCn minus 1 by 2 and NCn plus 1 by 2. They are called greatest binomial coefficients. So your binomial coefficient is over, binomial theorem is over. Next class we shall discuss probability. Okay.